Hey guys, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this Southwest lime chicken. Absolutely delicious, and you can master it too. The ingredients you're going to need is 6 to 8 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1/2 cup of pepper jack cheese. I like to shred my own cheese, and if you'd like, you can substitute this with Colby Jack or cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of your favorite salsa, 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro leaves, or you can use 1/2 teaspoon of dried cilantro leaves. This is actually optional. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, a few tablespoons of pickled jalapeños. You can find these in the jar in the supermarket. 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen corn. I'm using fresh. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or you can substitute with canola oil, and 1 lime that I've sliced in quarters. Let's first start by seasoning our chicken breasts. I'm going to start with the salt. We want to be a little generous with our salt. The cayenne pepper, a little bit goes a long way. The cumin, and again, a little bit goes a long way, but it needs to have these fabulous flavors. Flip them over. Remember, you just don't want to season one side of your meat. And again, we're going to start with the salt, cayenne pepper, and your cumin. Over here to a frying pan, over medium heat, we're going to add the olive oil. Swish it around in your pan. Add the chicken breasts. We're going to cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes. And at this point, you want your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 4 minutes, we're going to flip it over to the other side. And we're going to let it cook an additional 4 minutes. Now we've got a lovely sear on the pretty side of our chicken breast. Now we're going to bake this in the oven on the middle rack for the next 15 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. About 5 minutes left of our chicken baking. We're going to take that salsa, put it in a large bowl, along with your corn and your cilantro if you're using it. Like I said, I use fresh cilantro, or you can use dried. That fresh cilantro really gives this chicken fabulous flavor. And I like to take 1/4 of my fresh lime and squeeze it in there and give it a lovely little tossing. Add this to the top of your chicken. Last 5 minutes of baking. Spoon it over. Oh my goodness, it's going to be so fresh and lovely. Kind of separate your chicken breasts because they're going to be 2 single servings. Next, we're going to add the cheese, and just add a whole lot right there on the top of each of your chicken breasts. Add a couple of your pickled jalapeños here on the top. If you want to add more, you be my guest. 3 is my lucky number for my pickled jalapeños. Back in the oven for the last 5 minutes. Southwest lime chicken ready to serve, and let me show you how I plate it up. I like to serve it on a bed of jasmine rice with that chicken breast. Get some juices on there, just like that. Looky there, how beautiful that is. Add a touch of fresh cilantro and a fresh lime. Make it a little bit festive around the plate, just like that. Doesn't that look like a 5-star meal? And you can do it too. Take your 1/4 of lime, or if you want to use more, you be my guest. Squeeze it on the top, and you're going to get freshness like nobody's business. Go right in here. Woo. Let's see what it tastes like. There you go. The chicken is seasoned just perfectly with those spices. That corn, that salsa, fantastic. Let me show you what it looks like here on the inside. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Hope you try this Southwest lime chicken. You won't be disappointed. I'll catch you lovely people later.